I'm going to be looking at the Tower VL70 Flexi 2.6 volt cordless 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. This is with anti-tangle motorised forehead. And details on the side. I'll open it up, see what we get inside, and then I'll charge it up and give it a try out. Turbo mode, 2-speed settings, rechargeable lithium batteries, anti-allergy HEPA 13 filtration, detachable head, flexi pole, lightweight tube, anti-tangle motorised floor head. Anyway, as I say, I shall open it up. Let's have a look what we get inside. Comes in this carry case. Let's have a look. Let's see what comes out first. That's packing. See if it'll slide out. That's everything out. There's the tube. This is the flexi hose for going underneath. Packing. Brush. That's a wall mount. Don't know whether that charges on the wall. It looks like it charges on the wall, which is good. Yeah, it plugs in the side there. A lot of them don't. There's the battery. Let's get all this out. Wall mount. There's the power. Let's charge it up. It's a motorised brush. Another hose. Oh, sorry, this is the. Oh no, this is the main part. There's the main handle. That's the release on there for the dust and filter in there. Anyway, I'll go for all that. I'll have a read through the instructions and then I shall come back when I'm trying it out. I've now charged the battery and I've had a good read through the manual. I think I know what I'm doing. This comes off the top. That's a filter there that you can wash out in water and clean. There's a release catch for the emptying of the bin. I haven't tried it yet. I haven't plugged the battery in it. And there's a release catch here to release this off for cleaning. Goes back in. Now I'm going to give it a quick try out. Let's put the battery in. That's the battery on. And here's the pipe. This is a flexi one. So you can go underneath with a brush underneath the bed or table or whatever. Plugs on here. And the brush on the end. It's ready to go. You've got the charging dock here. This has got a couple of slots for the other brushes in, which is quite handy, and that goes on the wall. I haven't put it on the wall yet, but it goes on the wall and it'll stand against there. The power will plug in there so it can stand in and charge at the same time. So I've got a couple of things to try here. I've got some rice and loose tea. Let's see how it picks that up. Here's the power here. And that's the high power. Picking that up, no problem. Try some other bits here. Change the power. Low power, high power. It's got the 2 powers on it. Checking that up. Just try it on the wooden floor. Although these hundreds of thousands are going to go everywhere, I think. Put that up alright. Just turn the power off there. And you can shorten this. If I take that out of there, I can put the brush on here. If I say empty this out here. Put that up there. Got that. Same again, empty it out. I'll change the accessory. Let's put one of these on. That seems to do a fairly good job. And what I'm going to do is I'll use it for the next few days, and then I shall come back with my full written review.